Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Arcade Treasure Center. My name is Roy.
And I'm Kim.
And we're getting ready to go to an estate sale. You ready to go?
Yep.
All right, this estate sale is a real big one. It used to belong to a picker, so he has a whole bunch of stuff there. We don't know. I've just seen pictures online, but we're getting ready to go to it. It's supposed to be tons and tons of stuff. What am I trying to say?
I don't know. They're going to have lots of stuff.
They're going to have lots of stuff.
It's 2 weekends.
That's what I was trying to say. All right, it's so big that it's going to be 2 weekends. Today's the very first day of the first weekend. It's Thursday. It runs Thursday, Friday, Saturday this weekend, then Thursday, Friday, Saturday of next weekend. So today we're pretty much just going to go look to see what kind of items they are. We might come across something to get at a good price, but generally it's going to be a little bit high price, normal price for a first day. It won't be till next Friday on the second weekend where it'll become like 30% off, and then Saturday generally they go from 9 to 4 or 9 till sold out, and that's usually a 50% off or better sales day. So we're gonna go today, see what they got, and then we'll probably head over on next weekend and try to source some good items and find something at a better percentage. So I hope you enjoy the video. I hope you enjoy the ride along, and I'm ready to go. How about you?
I'm ready.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm ready too. We're gonna have some fun.
Yes.
You're gonna find some items?
I hope so.
I hope so too. You know, there's stuff outside for sale.
Oh, I'm excited.
Excited?
Yeah.
I'm going in.
Hey, how's it going?
Good. How are you doing? Trying to keep me from coming. Ooh, look at all this stuff. Look at it. Look at all this stuff.
Yeah, the end almost caught the
See if we can't go this way or something, or should I get squished out of here?
knock into it.
I don't know. I'd like to try to go out somewhere.
Give it a shot.
Yeah, I know.
Problem when you got too much stuff and too many people. You get trapped.
Oh, that's good stuff.
How you all got
Today, yeah.
Andrew, where's our packing bags?
Packing bags.
Lo que pasa es que a veces tomamos las cosas y los cambiamos de lugar. A veces cambiamos las cosas de lugar, sí, porque como no.
American History Summary Cards.
please.
We could all see a nice little user.
You finding a lot of good, neat stuff.
It's hard to.
It's hard, yeah, I know. There's so much. There's just so much. See some nice- Look at those angels up there. You see those the angels up there? Yeah. Let me look at one. Just pottery. Just kiln pottery. Yeah, I see a lot of interesting things. I'm gonna go this way.
That lady back there's the end of I know.
Fiesta knife set.
And it might not be stupid, it might even be hard or something
Excuse me.
I'm not checking out, I'm just going. I'm kind of scared I might break the wall. I love me some glass. What?
Yeah, look, come here. I'm right here.
On the bottom down there.
Hello.
Hi, how are you? Where did that cookie jar?
Put in that one, and then I can put that one up. Take that one out. I like that. I wasn't sure.
All right, so we just left the estate sale, and if you see the footage, you saw that it was real crowded, real busy, a ton of stuff. But again, first day prices, and they're real full. What'd you think about it?
Whoa, I had to step outside. It was really crowded. People kind of bumping into each other with bags, and all that glass made me really nervous. So.
And you had a mean lady say something to you.
Oh yeah, she was standing in line, and I didn't know it was the line to pay. And I said, "Oh, this is the line to pay." And she said, "Well, get out of the line then." I said, "You're kind of rude."
Yeah, kind of. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. How are you doing today? That's like how are you doing?
You sound very kind.